Welcome to hell.
Hi, I'm Theodora.
And I'm Graham. And usually we travel the world full time for YouTube.
We usually travel far, far away, but because of the corona, we have found a way to keep travelling but closer to home. Hello, Poland.
So far we've been to Poznań, Turan, Łeba, and now we're headed to hell. Make sure you check out the last few videos, and let's get into this video.
Yes, we have arrived in hell, and I'm going to put the map on. I thought it was a really cool idea to come here. Only, I feel like we're in hell right now.
We are actually in hell, babe.
It's really windy.
It's so windy.
The sun has just popped out.
Yeah,
but,
at least it's not raining. That would really be hell.
That really would be hell. I thought we'd come along here, because basically hell is at the end of this kind of sandbank, this kind of peninsula. And I thought, we've got to go here, because it's going to be epic. I'll get the drone up, I'll get the shape of the sandbar, of the peninsula. It's going to be brilliant. Only, it's kind of gale force winds, and we're out of season.
Yes, because in the previous video, Graham was taking some risk looking at map, and he's taken me to some beautiful places in Poland so far. This one might be a little bit,
well, we drove in, there's lots of campsites, there's a nice forest, you can go walking and biking, so I think in the summer with good weather, this place is going to be good, but right now, I would give it a miss for autumn. I would miss it, yeah.
One thing we did notice,
I
think it might be a little bit of a Valhalla for the kite surfers among us.
Yes, definitely got the wind.
So many kite surfers all along the peninsula, so that might be the place to be for that.
But I don't know what else we're going to do here in hell.
We need to get back to Gdynia as soon as possible. And right over there, I'm going to do the magic swipe, and magically we're there. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay, just like that, we are officially in Gdynia. Gdynia is one of the cities that is part of the Tri-Cities, Gdynia, Sopot and Gdansk. Our friends from university, they live in the area, so that's why we thought we'd take you along. But I'm currently standing on the pier of Gdynia, and it's a lovely area. Like I said, it is there is a pier which is free, because the Sopot pier you have to pay. So we have a free pier, and there's a lovely little beach. And this time of year, with a little bit of sun, you couldn't get much better. All the trees are starting to look all autumnal and gorgeous. You got little baristas with little carts here where you can grab a coffee and walk all along the beach. Now the beach here, you can walk right across the sand and you'll eventually end up in Sopot. That's what we're looking at right there. And behind you, we are looking at hell. So this is where we are, so you can get an idea of the location. This region of Poland is very popular in the summer. It's one of the proper beach resorts, shall we say. So it's got a nice feel. It's a little bit fancy smancy. There's nice cars, nice people, nice restaurants. Very nice area to explore. So let's grab a coffee and take it in, shall we? And it's just a lovely place to just have a coffee. There was like people getting married and taking pictures. So nice to see. Oh, and there's another one. Literally another bride and groom behind me. Like Graham was saying, Thursday is obviously the day to get your wedding pictures taken in Gdynia.
We are in Sopot, the smallest of the three cities, Gdynia, Sopot and Gdansk.
Yes.
Yes. Over 1 million people visit this beautiful small town. 2 million.
2 million tourists.
You told me over 1 million.
No. How many inhabitants, babe?
1 million.
40,000! Okay, forget the Theodora's finest facts, babe.
Come on, babe, tell me.
Okay.
Give me some facts.
Sopot is the most beautiful town out of the three. It is the smallest, only 40,000 inhabitants, but 2 million visitors, tourists every year. Obviously, this is pre-COVID.
Yeah, not this year.
Not right now.
Behind us is Poland's
go on.
largest wooden pier.
Yes, it's correct.
And considering there's not many piers in Poland, it's probably not
Very
that hard.
special, babe. No, but it is the largest wooden pier in Poland. So that's correct, babe.
And you do have to pay to get on it.
Small fee.
I don't know how much it is, and I don't know if we're going to do it, but it costs. We're having a bad day of vlogging. We went to hell this morning, which you just saw. Bit of a waste.
Everything went to hell.
Yeah, literally. Like, it wasn't worth going because it was windy and there's not much to do there. But I can imagine it's nice in the summer. Gdynia is beautiful, but again, we've been here before, so it's hard for us sometimes to vlog and show things when we've been to somewhere before.
Yeah, because our friends live in this area.
Yeah.
We've been and done it, but we don't. Yeah.
That.
What he said.
There's a whole promenade along here,
Yeah.
which you'll see with the drone.
And this beach is insane.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. Look at it. Look at it.
I mean, in the summer, you're going to be
It's
loving it here.
huge.
It's huge, isn't it? And you can see Gdynia and the pier over there.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Potentially the second largest
Babe,
wooden pier.
that is not a fact.
Oh my god, I wasn't recording.
Stop it. Were you recording or not?
Yes.
Might not be aware of the significance of the Grand Hotel. Let's
Grand
stand in
Hotel.
front. Hang on, babe. Let's get a good view.
The Grand Hotel. What's so grand about the Grand Hotel? I mean, it looks nice.
It looks insane.
Why are we not staying here? Basically, because we're staying at our friend's house. But
Yeah.
if we weren't, we would be staying here. Look at that, guys. It's out of season, and we don't have to pay anything to get on the pier. In that case, we're going to walk on the pier.
So obviously you come here for the beach, for the vibe, the excitement. With the beach, there's a very important word you need to learn in Polish. Come with me.
I have no idea what she's talking about.
It is the word lody.
Ice cream.
Yes, ice cream. Of course that is. Seaside resort, you need a bit of lody in your life. Oh my god.
What you got, babe?
This is a small lodi, vanilla, 6 zloty, like a pound. It's cold.
Not bad, not bad. It's a bit like a whippy, but a lot firmer.
It's different. Different in England.
Quite refreshing, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. So behind us, we're looking at the famous art of the artist, the Sopot artist, Monte Casino. And I'm not even going to pronunciate the name of it, but it translates into the Crooked House. And it kind of looks like it's like face-tuned, like they're trying to give the house away. So it's proper. And it houses art, bars, there's shops in there. It's about 4,000 square meters, but I think it's such a cool building. A must view of Sopot. Obviously we're here on the shopping street. Such a cute vibe, and don't forget it's autumn here now. Still people are sitting on the bars, there's still things going on. Nice vibe.
Right, okay, we have run out of internet data, which is her fault. So we're actually going to take you guys with us to Gdynia shopping mall, and we don't usually do this in our vlogs, but the mall is absolutely huge and epic.
Yeah.
They've got loads and loads of food, loads of dishes, and like, oh, it's epic. So we're going to jump in the car now, go back to Gdynia, try and get some internet, otherwise we're stuffed for the next 10 days. And yeah, let's take a joyride.
Super easy, 50 GB for 2 weeks for 20 zloty, which is like £4. I mean, perfect. Orange. Come on again, are we back?
It's the second jacket I've got here in Poland. 40 euros for a big winter coat. Bargain, and it looks actually really good. Got a, what do you call it, a bon, you know, the big fur around the collar. Well happy.
Alright, you caught me.
Let's face it, guys, we came here for the SIM card and the food. This was just a bonus.
Let's see what they got. First up, Mexican fish, salads, kebab, Polish buffet, burgers, sushi, Polish cuisine, Thai, and the good old junk food.
KFC.
What are we gonna have?
Okay guys, we've gone super healthy. Check us out. It's not like us, but we've got vegetables, we've got carrots, we've got spinach. Awesome. Guys, it's been a hell of a day.
Nice one.
And we're going to leave the vlog there, guys. Tomorrow, guys, we are going to Gdansk, the main city of the Tri-City area. And then we're heading down south. So make sure you tune in for the next video. Free and simple way to support the channel is to subscribe, guys. It's as easy as that. Boop. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.